Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the Declarative Academy. If you're new here, this is where we break down Salesforce concepts into simple, practical lessons that you can follow along with. Today, we're rounding out our AppExchange journey with something really important, the community. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to describe how to connect with other experts on AppExchange, list the elements of a helpful review, understand how to manage your installed solutions, and explain how to connect with AppExchange on social media. Let's dive in. It's been a week since you installed the Adoption Dashboards app in your test org. You've now moved it into production, and the dashboards are live with real data. On the User Adoption Dashboard, you can clearly see who's logging into Salesforce regularly and who's not. For those logging in less often, you schedule hands-on training and introduce them to Trailhead to help them ramp up quickly. Because Ursa Major is hiring new sales reps each quarter, you keep this dashboard in place to monitor adoption over time. This shows how an AppExchange solution can help you keep business performance on track. But dashboards and data aren't the whole story. Salesforce is about people and community. Want regular updates about new solutions and stories? Sign up for the AppExchange newsletter. Want to share how your team succeeded or hear how others are using tools like adoption dashboards? Join the Trailblazer community and take part in conversations. You can also connect with AppExchange on LinkedIn and X, Twitter, to share your story with a wider audience and learn from others. Being part of this community gives you insights, inspiration, and recognition. What happens if you run into issues? Head to the Solutions More Details tab and look for the Need Help section. Many providers offer email, phone, or self-service support. Keep in mind, support options vary by provider. If you've installed something and have problems, contact the solution provider directly. As you connect more organizations and install more solutions, things can get messy. Luckily, AppExchange makes it simple to manage. Here's how. Log into AppExchange using your Trailblazer connected account. Click your profile image in the top right corner. Select My Installs and Subscriptions. From there, you'll see every connected account and the solutions you've installed. You can use viewing as to switch between accounts. Apply filters to narrow down installs, like free installs. Click the arrow to uninstall a solution or write a review. Use more info for account details and switching guidance. This central hub helps you stay organized and in control. Remember, AppExchange isn't just a marketplace, it's a community. And writing reviews is one of the most valuable ways to give back. Here's how to write a great review. Be specific about your experience. Add detail and context. What problem were you solving? Highlight both strengths and areas for improvement. Connect your review to business outcomes. Stay positive, friendly, and courteous. To write one, simply go to the app's Reviews tab and click Write Review. Your voice helps other Trailblazers make informed decisions and encourages providers to keep improving. Let's check your knowledge with a quick quiz. Question 1. As you find more solutions for your production and sandbox orgs, how can you manage all of them? A. Ask your Salesforce admin to manage everything for you. B. Go to the My Installs and Subscriptions page. C. Browse AppExchange collections. D. Click the Reviews tab. The correct answer is B. Go to the My Installs and Subscriptions page. That's where you track installs, filter by status, and even uninstall solutions. Question 2. There are many ways to engage with AppExchange. What are ways you can connect? A. Sign up for the AppExchange newsletter. B. Search for us in the phone book after AAA towing. C. Find us on LinkedIn and X. D, A, and B, E, A, and C. The correct answer is E, A, and C. You can connect through the newsletter, LinkedIn, and X, but not through an old school phone book. So let's recap. You've learned how to connect with other experts, manage your installs, get support, and contribute to the community through helpful reviews. You've also seen how connecting on social media and the Trailblazer community keeps you in the loop and inspired. This isn't just about using apps, it's about joining a global ecosystem of Salesforce innovators. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment sharing your favorite AppExchange app or a review you've written. Thanks for joining me today. And as always, keep learning, keep building, and keep making Salesforce work for you. See you in the next one.